Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are going to draw Huggy Wuggy.
What?
What? Here we go. Okay, easy. So we're going to start at the top, pretty high up, because he's rather tall. And we're going to draw 2 perfect circles. As nice as we can. Yep. And now we're going to draw 2 big circles within that. So big circles inside that. Just pupils. And you want to color this black? You can do it black. And now, I'll follow you. Okay, you can do that eye. Be careful. Don't go over the lines much. Okay, nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're going to draw his mouth. So, just follow me. We're going to draw down. Just follow the shape of the eyes there. Go out and we bring it down wide and up again and down again. Got that?
Yeah.
And now we mimic that shape inside it. So we double it up. We have 2 shapes like that. And that forms his lips.
Yep.
And then now Huggy Wuggy has scary sharp teeth.
Good.
Okay, so now we just have to draw a whole bunch of sharp teeth. So spiky sharp teeth, top and bottom, right through all around. Easy, why do kids like Huggy Wuggy?
Because he's cute.
Okay, he's cute, but he's more scary than he is cute. Don't you think?
Because Playtime got popular.
Poppy's Playtime is popular, that's why you are correct. And there's my Huggy Wuggy teeth.
Yep.
You got Huggy Wuggy teeth as well? Yes, you do.
Yeah, so I don't want to tell you something.
Okay. So, Huggy Wuggy's whole head is almost like a triangular shape. Upside down kind of triangular shape. So, we're gonna go from the middle here rather, and we go up and wide. Come down this way. And join it up again. You got that? We should have made it wavy and hairy. Okay, so now Huggy Wuggy is tall. So we're going to draw a thin, long arm hanging down here, and another line coming down here for the other arm. Then watch me.
Yeah.
Okay, we draw a line going down there. And another line going down there. And now we need to draw some fluffy cuffs. At least we need to show some of his fluff. You got that?
Yep.
And now we draw a thumb and like a palm pad hand.
Yes.
So it doesn't have separate fingers, and a thumb and another palm pad. Yep. And his torso is up here. So we're gonna make more fluff. Like that. And we're gonna draw a leg line coming down until there again. Another leg line coming down. And we add another piece till there. And some more fluff. Ankle fluff. You got that? Oh, you fall in the wrong bed. It's okay. When we add the feet, you'll see. Now we add feet shapes. And that's our Huggy Wuggy. You want to draw fluff lines in here? Like fluffy lines in there? You see what I'm doing? Make it look furry? You can do that if you want to.
No.
You don't want to do that. And I'm gonna add some more fluffy hairy lines. You need to draw the inside of his mouth with the markers. We're just gonna color that in with this. We fold it in very quickly. Be careful, eh? Don't rush it too much. Some more spiky fluffy lines on him. Are you done? Are you ready? And there we have it, everybody. That's Huggy Wuggy. That's his shape. So now for some color. You good to go?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yeah.
That's Huggy Wuggy. So Izzy, do you think we're gonna do more characters of this Poppy Playtime?
Yeah, I think we didn't do Mommy Long Leg.
Mommy Longlegs, that one.
Yeah, I did
next.
Mommy Long Leg, then Catnap.
Okay, so it's Mommy Longlegs and then Catnap after that.
Yeah, so I didn't make the mask of Catnap.
You already make a mask. Oh, we'll have to take a look at that in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe. Click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun. Bye.